is that?
What? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, Alex, are you okay? Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can tell from the title, we're going to be testing out viral TikTok life hacks this week. Yes, so basically we picked out 10 of the craziest TikTok life hacks, and we're going to be trying them out for you guys to see whether they work or not. So if you're excited for this video, be sure to give this video a big like, and also while you're at it, we're very close to 11 million subscribers, so be sure to go down and subscribe and turn on post notifications. By the way, don't check how many subs we're at. I know right now there's a glitch going on YouTube where it doesn't show the actual subs you're at right now, so just be sure to subscribe and help us get there. And yeah, let's test out some of these life hacks. Okay, so the life hack we're going to be testing is when you get locked out of your car. Apparently, if you have a tennis ball and you cut a hole in it and you press it against like the keyhole of a car and keep squeezing, it apparently creates a lot of pressure to the point where it'll unlock. All right, so here's the video right here. Okay, proof that it's locked. 3, 4. Okay, squeeze 5 times and then it unlocks. All right, let's test it out. All right, so proof that it's locked right here. All right, squeeze it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Oh. Wait, it actually unlocked? What? Wait, what? That actually worked. Okay, wait. Okay, no. Okay, well, look, here's the thing. This is our car, so like, I feel like you guys aren't gonna believe it. I feel like we should test it on like another random car that has a keyhole as well. We need to see if it actually works on like all cars. Yeah. So let's go find a car. Which car doesn't have a keyhole? Oh, that one has a keyhole. This one has a keyhole. Let's try this one. Squeeze it 5 times. All right, try it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to jail. We're going to jail. Bro, I'm going to a Lamborghini right now. Let's go to a Lamborghini dealership and get a new Lamborghini like this. All right. Okay, obviously, guys. Okay, obviously this doesn't work. Pretty much, this car was already unlocked, as you can see. And our car, I had the key in my pocket. I stuck my hand in my pocket and unlocked it while we were doing it. So apparently this obviously doesn't work because there would be a lot more criminals if it did. So yeah, so it's a good thing actually, but this life hack doesn't work. Have you ever been stuck on a long road trip somewhere and you get tired of holding your phone and watching Netflix or YouTube? Well, we have a simple solution for you. Well, at least we think. Our next life hack that we're going to be testing out is basically all it requires is someone sitting in front of you and with long hair. Yes, with long hair, obviously. Let's watch the video. Yeah, let's just watch the video. Okay. So you need a phone case. Take off the phone case, place the phone over the phone, and it just dangles there. And now you don't have to hold on. Does it actually work? I don't know. Neither of us have long hair, so I can't think of a way we can try it out. Okay, so we have our friend Alexa here, and we're gonna be trying out this life hack now. All right, so step 1, all you need to do is remove your phone from your phone case, and you get a few strands of hair, and you put it like this. And then step 2, you put your phone over the phone case, and now you can binge watch our YouTube videos. Yes, I can't watch that. Wait, I wanna watch our YouTube videos. Which video is it? It's the TikTokers versus normal people. It's our last YouTube video, so. Have you guys seen it? Have you guys watched it yet? Go and check it out. Okay, so that life hack was a success. I know a lot of people are thinking you need someone with long hair, but it actually works if you can convince one of your friends to wear a wig or something like we just did. Okay, so everyone knows that eating snacks while you're watching a movie makes it that much more enjoyable, but unfortunately, you are not allowed to bring in your own snacks to the movie. So today, what we're going to be testing out is sneaking in snacks into the movie theaters by pretending to be pregnant. Well, in our case, obviously, we're guys and we can't pass off that we're pregnant. Anyways, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be getting a bowl and we're going to be filling it with our favorite snacks. We're going to be taping it onto our stomach and we're gonna just go into the movie. Okay, you know what? Let's just try it out. Let's just try it out. Okay, so we have our bowl right here, and then we have the snacks here that we're gonna bring inside the movies. Here we go. Wait, let me lift up your shirt more. 3, 2. Wait, how do people do like? Oh, it's this. Does this look realistic? Does it look okay?
We cannot have outside of your jeans.
Oh, I'm pregnant?
Oh, right. You're sure I was right.
Bro, all I had to say was I'm pregnant.
So I'm pregnant and it worked.
Sir, you're not allowed to have food or drinks. I was like, I'm pregnant. He was like, there's 12 is on your right.
Wait, so it worked, huh?
Look!
It worked. Oh my gosh.
Bro, I guess it works.
So, yeah. Okay, so we're not actually gonna go watch the movies, guys. We just wanted to see if this life hack worked, which it did. So yeah.
Okay, so this next life hack is really useful in case you ever get locked out of your room. All you need is a card. Yes. So basically, you use this card and you press it against the doorknob. And yeah, in the video we saw, it worked. And I used to do this when I was younger, so I know it works. But so basically, press it up against here. Is it gonna work or not? I don't know if it's gonna work. I might break my credit card. Oh, it worked! Look, and it's locked.
locked too. It's locked. So basically what happens is you stick it through, and yes, as you can tell, it's locked. So what ends up happening is you create enough pressure and you just push it through like that, and the door just opens. And yeah, as you can tell, it kind of scuffed up the card a little bit. So yeah, that's a simple way of getting back in your house or room.
You just locked it again.
I just locked it again?
Yeah.
I didn't know. I was trying to be smooth and taut. Pretty much, this is a very easy and affordable way.
It's cheaper than calling a locksmith.
And it's a lot quicker too. So if you ever get locked out of your house or your room, try this out.
Wait, watch this. I can get it so much quicker the second time.
Look how quick that was. And it is locked. It's just pushing it through.
I am so good at it.
It's breaking
You locked it again.
Why do I keep doing that?
So in conclusion, yes, this life hack does work. This is probably one of the cooler life hacks. So yeah, you guys can go and try it and let us know if it works or not. But yeah, let's move on to the next life hack.
Okay, so for the next life hack, we're gonna be testing out to see. Apparently, if you like put clear tape over the flash of your phone and you color it with a purple Sharpie or marker, it's supposed to like be able to see all the germs in your bathroom. So yeah, let's just test it out really quick.
Okay, so basically you need some clear tape. And you put it over the camera like this. And then you color the flash purple like this. And let's test it out.
I don't see anything. It's like, I see a purple tint, but I don't see anything.
Let me see it.
I don't see any germs anywhere. Like, am I supposed to be seeing germs? I definitely see like a purple tint to it. So what's the issue here?
It would have been really cool if it did.
It would have been really cool.
That would have been cool.
But how did they do it? Like, I feel like what they did was they probably took like...
They probably colored it.
Yeah, they probably colored it, like dropped some like ink over it just to make it seem like it was like that. Cause that, I fell for it and I was, oh, maybe this works, but obviously that one didn't work. Let's move on to the next life hack.
Okay, so for this life hack, it's a food life hack. What you need is a combo meal. So you have your sandwich right here, step one. Poke a hole in the box right here, right in the middle. Okay. And then the weight should distribute it evenly. And now you can just wait, what? It perfectly balances it out. Okay, so now instead of just eating and doing nothing, now we can eat and talk and text
people
text and eat at the same time. So now it seems like this life hack worked.
And now let's move on to the next life hack.
Okay, so right now we're gonna watch the Coke and Mentos rocket launcher video, and then we're gonna try it out afterwards.
Okay, so
oh, so they just dropped the whole Mentos in there, huh? And they're shaking it up and okay, that looks dangerous.
how are we gonna do it here? There's like so many people here.
Okay, so we have the Coke and Mentos and an empty parking lot. So now we can try this life hack to see if it actually works.
All right, I already got the Mentos. Where's the Coke?
All right.
Get the Coke, Alan.
Let's do this.
All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Alan, are you okay? Oh! Come on! Oh, wait a second. Okay, so we experimented with about 20 Coke bottles, and in conclusion, we kind of just figured out that yes, it does work, but you just have to make sure it lands on the bottle cap. So that life hack does work. Okay, so the next life hack we're gonna be testing out is this weird chemical reaction. Let's just watch it. Okay, so you need like a little anthill, kind of like a dirt, soap detergent, Mentos, laundry detergent, and that should do it.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay, all right, let's try it out. Okay, so we just got done building our little anthole. Now, basically, we poured a Coke in first, then we poured this in, and then a Mentos goes in. Right after Mentos goes in, laundry detergent goes in. So let's see if we can get the same reaction. Okay. I'm just gonna keep pouring it in there, even though it's like slowly collapsing. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, wait. You ready with the detergent? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Now, okay, that is a chemical reaction of the century. That is a reaction. Let me pour more Coke on it. Hold on. What? It's not working. Something happened, please. Nothing happened. I don't know if we did something wrong, but we followed the steps correctly. It was in a different language.
Yeah, what?
What did we do wrong? All right, now we have to clean all this up. Okay, well, apparently this one didn't work, but it was still fun to try, so yeah. All right, so that is going to be all the life hacks we have for you guys today.
100,000 likes, and we will be dropping a part 2 to this video with crazier life hacks. Also, we are rapidly approaching 11 million subscribers, so be sure to subscribe and help us get to 11 million subs.
With that being said, we'll see you guys next time.